Today I'm going to do the review back to this 3 mouse. I've been using this new one. This one is a Naga V2. This 3 got the same free will. That's why I brought them, but I realized at the end of the day, doing 3D model, I would still like to use this. And this is my daily using outdoor, and this one I keep putting it aside because I don't like the feeling while using it. But feeling is not accurate, so I'm do some mouse testing, which is go to a website called this one mouse accuracy stuff, and I realize when I operate, every time I operate the test, the highest mark is this. It is one is follow up, even almost sometimes can get a share point. This one always like 20% lesser than others, sometimes it's 10% lesser, but this is the lesser. So from the data I realized, okay, when I use this mouse control doing everything, is the accuracy is lower. That's why by feeling I don't like to use it, but in actual it's actually affecting my no mouse affecting my performance. So that is why I don't. Shut up. Meow. Bye.